In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten image in GIMP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a multi-layered project and combine everything into a single, final layer. This is especially useful when you're preparing an image for export, printing, or sharing where layers aren't needed. Keep in mind that flattening is a one-way decision for your current document session. It merges every visible layer and removes transparency, so it's best used when you're happy with how everything looks. Start by opening the image you want to work with. At the top left of GIMP, click File, then choose Open. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the image you want, select it, and open it. Your image will load on the canvas, ready for editing. Before you flatten, take a look at the Layers panel, usually found on the right side of the interface. This panel shows a stack of thumbnails representing each layer in your image. If you see several entries, that means your project contains multiple layers, such as text, shapes, adjustments, or imported elements. You might also notice a checkerboard pattern around or within your artwork. That pattern represents transparency. Understanding what's in this panel helps you anticipate how flattening will affect your image, because everything you see here is about to become a single, unified layer. When you're ready, go to the top menu bar and click Image. From that drop-down, choose Flatten Image. The moment you click it, GIMP will merge all visible layers into one. This is a destructive operation, meaning the separate layers are no longer independently editable in this document once it's flattened. If your image had transparent regions, they'll be filled according to the project's background handling, and the checkerboard pattern indicating transparency will disappear. Take another glance at the Layers panel. You should now see just one layer in the stack. That confirms the flattening worked. If you don't notice a visible change on the canvas, that's normal if your layers already looked merged. The real difference is that they're now combined into one layer behind the scenes. Flattening is a great finalizing step when you're preparing an image for formats or workflows that don't support layers. If you realize you need to adjust something after flattening, you can use Undo right away. Otherwise, that's all there is to it. You opened your image, checked your layers, used the image menu, and flattened it into a single, clean layer ready to share or export.